YouTube, hey, we're rocking YouTube. It's your boy Young KD, like always, man. Hey, first thing first, I want to give a big shout out to y'all, man. We just recently hit 6,000 subscribers. For some people, that might not be a lot, but for me, that's a big milestone, man. And I appreciate y'all for all the support. Hey, and today we got that Gunna Wanna preset, man. No cap. We got that motherfucking fuck you mean. You feel me? Hey, so right now, let me show y'all how the preset sounds. And we got real Gunna vocals, by the way. I just mixed them. And I also did my own little take on it so y'all can see how good the preset works.
Turn to a murder scene, sipping codeine while I'm flown on a beam. To someone fiend, but don't call me a fiend. I ain't no bastard, my daddy a king. Wu-Tang, we chasing the cream. Don't be a fool, it ain't all what it seem. Let it dissolve, it'll flow through your stream. It's a good time, let me play the strings. I was at the bus stop, now I got Bentley truck, Leon truck, Rolls Royce keys.
Turn to a murder scene, sipping codeine while I'm floating on the beam. Took some morphine, but don't call me a fiend. I am no bastard, my dirty king. Wu-Tang be chasing that cream, don't get up in it. Let it dissolve, it'll flow through your string. It's a good time to play the strings.
Turn to a murder scene, sipping codeine while I'm flown on a beam. To someone fiend, but don't call me a fiend. I ain't no bastard, my daddy a king. Wu-Tang, we chasing that cream. Don't be a fool, it ain't all what it seem. Let it dissolve, it'll flow through your stream. It's a good time, let me play the strings. I was at the bus stop, now I got Bentley truck, Leon truck, Rolls Royce keys.
Turn to a murder scene, sipping codeine while I'm floating on the beam. Took some morphine, but don't call me a fiend. I am no bastard, my dirty king. Wu-Tang be chasing that cream, don't get up in it. Let it dissolve, it'll flow through your stream. It's a good time to play the strings. Yeah, man, so after listening to the before and after, it's a night and day difference with and without the preset. Even my version sounded good, and I didn't use an expensive microphone like Gunna did. I'm using the $50 USB mic, the AT2020 USB Plus. So you can get a decent sound, man, using these presets, for real. Hey, but enough wasting time. Right now, I'm gonna show y'all everything that's on the preset. Alright, so the first thing I threw on the Wanna preset was the tape simulator. We trying to add a little saturation, a little warmness to the vocals. So here are the settings I got for the tape simulator. If it's too much for you, just turn the drive down some. It's that easy, y'all. Okay, then cool, man. After the tape simulator, I added a graphic EQ. Clean this vocal up a little bit, man. Get rid of the frequencies that we don't want. So here are the settings I got. Settings may vary, but this is a good starting point. Y'all try this out. If it's taking out too much bass out of your voice, just pull that 200 hertz band up some, and it'll bring a little bit of body back into your voice. Alright then, so after the graphic EQ, I added a multi-filter. I did a high shelf at like 6,000 hertz, and I boosted it a little bit. Like always, depending on the mic you use, or if you're using your headphones, you might gotta change this up. Just play around with the settings until it sounds good, but it doesn't sound too harsh. Yeah, man, but the high shelf definitely does give the vocals a nice crispy sound. Yeah, man, y'all already know what time it is. Y'all know we gotta add a de-esser. Every time you boost the highs up, you gotta add a de-esser right behind it, so it can get rid of some of that harshness and that S sound. So here's the settings I got for the de-esser. I used to put the de-esser at the front of the vocal chain, but now I put it after I boost the highs, and I realized that it takes out more S's that way. Yes, sirski. So after that de-esser, we added a compressor, the BL1176. This the settings I got for the BL1176. I usually go for these settings, it just sounds the best for me. Hey, but as always, y'all can change this up. Like I said, this is y'all preset. We ain't done with the compression yet. We added another compressor, the TechLab BA2A. This just keeps the vocals more consistent. It squashes down on those really loud parts and brings it down to the regular volume as the other parts. So here are the settings I got. This is a really simple compressor and I like it a lot. It's only 2 sliders. So after that TechLab BA2A, we added a chorus ensemble. This just gives the vocals a thicker feeling and a nice little texture it adds. Turn it on and off and you'll definitely see what I'm saying. Without this chorus ensemble, the preset wouldn't sound the same at all. So y'all definitely gotta add this on. On this song, Gunna had a real reverby type sound, so I added the studio reverb. Here are the settings I got. If it's too much reverb for y'all, y'all know what to do. Just turn the size down maybe, and the mix amount. We'll turn the mix amount down first and see how it's sounding. If it's still too much reverb, you might gotta turn the size down some. But that's just what worked for this preset, and it gave me that Gunna sound, so that's what I did. I ain't gonna lie, reverb is a must on vocals. It makes them sound so much more musical, and it makes it fit into the beat so much more better. Without it, the vocals would just sound dry and nasty, and it adds a little brightness too sometimes. Hey, so the last thing we added on this Gunna preset was the ping pong delay. Here are the settings I got for the ping pong delay. Y'all know I like this ping pong delay. It just makes the vocal sound a little more full. It gives us little echoes in the background. If y'all want less delay, just turn it down a little bit. Hey, the video ain't quite over yet. I'm gonna show y'all how everything sounds on the preset on and off. So y'all stay tuned for that. And also, I'm gonna let y'all hear what the whole thing sounds like, but without the instrumental, because I ain't trying to get copyrighted. Y'all know how that go. Hey, appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty new videos and plenty new presets coming soon. No kizzy. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings. Let it dissolve, it'll float through your string. It's a guitar, play the strings.
Turn to a murder scene, sipping codeine while I'm floating on a beam. Took some morphine, but don't call me a fiend. I ain't no bastard, my daddy a king. Wu-Tang, we chasing that cream. Don't be a fool, it ain't all what it seem. Let it dissolve, it'll flow through your string. It's a good time, let me play the strings. I was at a bus stop, now I got Bentley truck, Leon truck, Rolls Royce keys. Leon truck, Rolls Royce keys. Putting out the pocket lot. Okay. Been trucking top, got acres on, acres out. Acres on, acres out, my trees. Got acres on, acres out, my trees. Okay. Driveway a parking lot, then got acres on, acres. Okay. Driveway a parking lot, bottom me some acres on, acres out. Got acres on, acres out, one tree. Driveway a parking lot on a acres on, acres on. Driveway a parking lot on a acres on top of countries.